Hello, I am OBD, the voice of your car. Today we're talking about diagnostic trouble code P0350. If your scanner shows this code, don't rush out and buy a new ignition coil. That's one of the most common mistakes. P0350 means the engine computer has detected a problem in the ignition coil circuit. As a result, your engine may misfire, lose power, run rough, use more fuel, or become harder to start. But here's the important part. The ignition coil isn't always the problem. A damaged wire, a loose or corroded connector, a blown fuse, or even a faulty engine control module can all trigger this code. And here's something many drivers don't know. A worn spark plug can also be the real cause. As the spark plug gap gets larger over time, the ignition coil has to generate much higher voltage to create a spark. That extra stress can eventually damage the ignition coil and trigger a P0350 code. Before replacing any parts, inspect the wiring and connectors. If possible, swap the ignition coil with another cylinder. If the problem follows the coil, you've found the culprit. If it doesn't, don't forget to inspect the spark plugs as well. Don't ignore this code. Driving with constant misfires can damage your catalytic converter, turning a simple repair into a very expensive one. Always diagnose the problem first, then replace the faulty part. I'm OBD, the voice of your car. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.